no, the tornadoes come. Let's go decorate the Pimpapampus. Play the dollhouse. Pimpapampus dollhouse. So let's go decorate first of the kitchen. One. There, so I'm gonna count 1, 2. 1. What's next? 2. Next one is 3. Next 4. And next 5. And 6. And 7. And look at guys, I build now. And see you later. Wow. Who's built this house? I forgot the stairs. Can you help? Hey Mira, can you help me to get the stairs? Sure. You wait over here. Okay, here you go now. Thank you. I need stairs. I'm gonna go now and take a sleep. I can't sleep. What is that rounding around of this house? Nah, I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna check what's the time. It's 3:30. It's 33 in the morning. I'm gonna go sleep again. Wake up. Hey Marie. What is it? Maria, let's go awake now because it's 34 in the morning. Okay, gonna wake now. Done now, so back in. So I'm gonna go sleep again. Hey, who said so? Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep again. Thank you guys to build the Pimpapampus Dollhouse. So thank you guys like our channel, me and mommy's channel. So, and don't forget to click thumbs up button and subscribe, like and share, and see you there.